Hey guys, what is up? Today's video is going to be talking about what's happening in 2025. I've got 3 topics I'm going to talk about real quick. One being AI. AI is going to cover 2 topics. AI is going to cover 3 topics. But the other is, what do you guys, I need some opinions. I don't know a lot. I know a lot of you guys will dive into the details of new bills and mandates. And I've tried to look, but I can't get anything certain. What's up with this language thing, right? So how's the language proficiency going to affect our industry? How many people do you think are not going to be able to drive a truck anymore? And how do you feel about it? And I'll tell you how I feel about it. I'm 100% for it. Why? Because I think people need to understand left lane trucks only. Left lane, no trucks in right lane. No trucks in left lane. Construction head, right lane closed. Way station open, way station closed. You know how often we as truckers, you can agree to this, you see somebody, now, not putting out anybody's race or anything like that you can't see most of the time who's driving a truck, but you see somebody doing something stupid. You're like, did you not read the sign? No, they didn't. Anyway, I am for it. And I'm also for the American dream. Coming over here as an immigrant and bettering yourself, chasing that American dream. But I think you need to learn English. I think it just hurts the industry. There's a lot of signs out here that you need to be able to read and not put other people's lives in harm. And yeah, so I am for it. I am for it. But I'm also for the American dream and for immigrants to come here and make a better life. Because let's face it, a lot of the countries in the world can live on $100 a month and be net set. I mean, just sit in the mint. So, come over here and make a lot more than that weekly? Yes, I am for that. But I am for the regulations of the English reading and writing proficiency. I am for it. So next is autonomous trucks. See, autonomous trucks has been a thing, in the talks for years. But I've never really got on board with it because I'm thinking we don't have the proper infrastructure. We don't have a lot of things. There's a lot of circumstantial things that aren't in play. Also, it's a huge liability. Do I think autonomous trucks are coming? Yes. Are they just going to be 100% autonomous with no driver? No. I think by the time it becomes autonomous, it's going to have somebody sitting at the helm overseeing everything and making sure things don't go awry. It's just like a train conductor, you know, or I think they call him an engineer. The train is usually operated, I think, by somebody in the office somewhere else. And the train runs on its own. You got the conductor or the engineer sitting there, no phone, cannot take their phone on board. Maybe they can, but they can't have it on. Anyway, I don't know. I had a buddy that does it, and he told me a long time ago, I can't remember exactly. But he just basically just sits there and oversees everything and makes sure there's nothing in the tracks. They ain't supposed to be there, so he can hit the daggum oh shit button. So I think if autonomous trucks become a thing, I think it'll be something along the lines of that. Next thing is, I want to share with you guys, I've got a buddy that just left the job about 3 months ago. Now, I've known him for 3 months. I've just been debating on whether or not to talk about it. But I think it goes in accordance to these other topics that we're talking about with AI. AI is getting crazy, which I hope it stays like it is, because it's not what we know today with like ChatGPT or Google AI. That's not AI. That's just a search engine on steroids. It's not actually thinking for itself. But the moment stuff starts thinking for itself and it's real artificial intelligence, yeah, we're in trouble. We're in trouble. But anyway, speaking of AI, a buddy of mine took a new job with a company, a startup, and this company has developed a product that is AI broker. Yeah, talking about putting people out of jobs. It's coming for the brokers next. So the best I understand this is, you see a load on the board and you call said broker that happens to have this software, and you talk to an AI bot and you say, yeah, I'm calling about load 13456 98765. and they say, hey, glad to help you with that load. The load is this, it's going here, it's going, picking up here, going there, the pickup time is this, the posted rate is this. Can you agree to that? And what's your MC and all that other stuff? And you can conversate back and forth with this AI, even into the negotiating. The AI is going to know the target rate and the amount of play they have with that. And also, if the call starts to turn a little hostile, that AI bot knows that the call is going hostile, and it will connect you with a representative or an agent broker. I don't know. It's going to put you in contact with a live human being. So what that tells me is, if there's any success with this software, all those brokers we love to hate, they're going to be looking for jobs. Because why is, say, C.H. Robinson going to hire and employ and pay, I don't know how many agents and brokers they have across the country, let's just say 3,000. They're going to save a lot of money by utilizing this software, and then maybe take that 2,000 or 3,000 agents and reps and brokers and cut it down to 100 to deal with the hostile truckers. Brokers, they're coming for your jobs. I mean, we love to hate you, but I hate this for you. It ain't good. It ain't good. Next is, I was at the truck show this year at Matt's, and I was talking to one of my buddies, one of my partners, and he introduced me to the founder of an AI software built and designed to dispatch your truck. And I thought, that's pretty cool, you know. I might play with that. But at the same time, it don't know all the incidentals and circumstantial things that I'm looking for in booking a load. It don't know my gut feeling about where the load's going. I need to see the overview of the land. I need to know what town I'm going to. All the little non-tangible things that AI can understand. So I don't know if I really benefit from it. But for a company that's got 50 trucks and they've got, say, 10 dispatchers, 15 dispatchers, but yet they can buy this software. Oh, by the way, it's called Hey Bubba. This is Bubba. Anyway, that company say they got 15 dispatchers, but they can get this software, and they don't really care about your feelings of being a driver or where you want to go and all the ins and outs of, yes, I will go, or no, I won't. You know, I am a carrier. I have my own MC, so I do what I want, how I want to do it, when I want to do it. But the majority of drivers out here are at the mercy of whoever they drive for. And 90% of the time, the owners don't give two shits about where you want to go. All they know is this load needs to be covered. So with that being said, if they utilize Hey Bubba, and then they start dispatching all their trucks with that software, how many dispatchers across the nation are going to lose their jobs? So even dispatchers, AI is coming for your job. I mean, 2025 is a weird time with a lot of technology and things that are rolling out, and it's just downright scary. And if you can pinpoint and try to accurately predict what's going to happen in the coming years, you can usually set yourself up and align yourself for that coming future. There's an old quote that says, those unwilling to change will soon wake up to a world they no longer recognize. And guys, I'm not trying to be left behind. I'm trying to recognize the changes and align myself with the future. But with this stuff right here, with AI dispatchers, AI brokers, self-autonomous trucks, I'm kind of lost. Unless I want to jump out the truck, go to school, become a coding guru and learn how to program and write code and make my own stuff. So, I don't know, guys. I'm a little lost. I'm just kind of picture where things are going. And, yeah, it's kind of scary. It's kind of scary. What do you think? What is your idea and thoughts of this stuff? Because for me, it's just downright scary. And I'm just hoping that it don't come to fruition. And we don't need AI bots dispatching, nor brokering our loads, and nor autonomous trucks. It's getting weird, guys. It's getting weird. All right, guys, I just wanted to get that off my chest. Let me know in the comments what you think about it, and see if you can pinpoint where the next 10 years of trucking is going to go. Because I've been racking my brain for the last 350 miles or so since I came out of Hialeah, Florida, trying to think of where's this leading. So I'm asking you in the comments, let me know your ideas, let me brainstorm with you, and maybe as a collective we can come up with some better ideas of where this thing's going. And yeah, maybe we can make some more videos about it. I just need more information because by myself I just can't get nowhere with it. Anyways guys, if you found this video entertaining and even thoughtful about AI, give me a big old thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed, as I put videos out all the time, all things trucking. And remember guys, if it don't make sense, don't make dollars. Until that next video, see you, bye.